Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have a document with words stuck together. Start now. Open a backup copy, then enable Show/Hide to reveal spaces, tabs, and paragraph marks so you can see the problem. Once visible, check whether missing spaces appear everywhere or only in a selection. Make a quick sample edit to confirm. You'll use targeted replacements next, so make sure to note patterns, double letters, punctuation directly attached to words, or missing space after periods, because those patterns guide the fixes you apply. Now you'll run controlled replacements to insert spaces where needed. Open Replace, use wildcards for patterns like lowercase followed by uppercase, or word then punctuation then word. For example, search AZ, and replace with \1/2 to add a space between joined words. Also handle punctuation attached to words by matching punctuation then letters. Once done, run a few test replacements on a paragraph to verify results. Because wildcards can alter correct text, if it looks good, apply to the whole document. Finish by normalizing spacing and checking results. First, replace double spaces with a single space, then run words grammar and spell check to find residual joined words. Once done, visually scan headings and tables where spacing often hides. If problems persist, make sure pasted text encoding or source formatting isn't forcing no-break spaces. Replace non-breaking space, Alt plus 0160 with regular spaces. As a last resort, copy into plain text, then paste back into a fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.